This video explains how to find and use the hearing aid transition function in your Affinity Suite software. To begin, you will need to add your hearing aid transition measurement into your REM protocol in order to use it. This is done in the protocol settings. Hearing aid transition measurements can be performed both on-ear and in the coupler. The hearing aid transition feature has been created to help you retain the patient's audibility preferences from their current hearing aids during the upgrade process. It allows you to make measurements on their existing hearing aids which will later be used as a target to fit the new hearing aids. This is beneficial when considering a few scenarios. 1. Upgrading a patient's hearing aid to a newer one where you do not have their historic sessions. As example, they may not have visited you before. 2. Upgrading a patient's hearing aid from old to new but retaining their old audibility preferences. 3. Understanding proprietary target algorithms when changing to a new manufacturer of hearing aids. All hearing aid transition measurements are made in the dB/SPL domain. Click on the Hearing Aid Transition Measurement tab, and when you're in the Hearing Aid Transition Measurement screen, you'll be able to measure your 3 new intensity levels which will form the basis of your hearing aid transition target. This is done with the patient's old hearing aid. Once you've measured these, you'll then see that you're able to compare the performance against NAL and DSL target algorithms. This is simply as a reference. You can now exchange their old hearing aid for a new hearing aid and begin to fit the new hearing aid against your hearing aid transition targets. This is done in the same way that you would normally fit a hearing aid. The target will specify hearing aid transition on the right hand side so you know what you're fitting against. Thank you for watching this video. To further your knowledge on the Affinity Compact, please watch the following videos or contact your local Interacoustics support representative.